You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, or should I say these words, correctly. They have the same spelling but different pronunciations and different meanings. So one of the meanings of this word is wound. A wound is an injury. When you get injured or you injure somebody, you get hurt, it's a wound. This is also a verb, to wound somebody. Wound, alright? So warriors at war will get wounded. Wound. Now, this is also the past tense and the past participle of the verb to wind. The verb to wind is to change direction, have a circular or spiral course. Wind. The past tense is wound. Alright? Wound. How to pronounce wound or wound, depending on the meaning. Wound. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.